Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Burger Motorsport dual cone intake system for the N54. It's definitely going to be going on the 335. So let's get right to unboxing this and then we'll go ahead and install it on the car. Alright, so we're going to start off here. Just, okay, what is in here? Oh, that's what the filters actually connect to. So obviously these are wrapped in paper, but obviously these are just the pieces the cone's attached to, and then they go on the inlets. I think other than that, all it is these are going to be the filters. Okay, here's filter number one. It's pretty big actually. So there's that. Okay. There's filter number two. There's literally nothing else in the box, at least that I can see. Yeah, there's nothing else in the box, so I guess we're gonna get right into the install. Well, these filters are actually nice quality compared to a lot of shit I've seen. Talking about you, Daniel. Anyways, we're gonna just go ahead and disassemble the airbox and then throw this right on the car. It's gonna be really easy. Alright, you can make it easier on yourself by pre-tightening this clamp so it's not moving around as much on this cone, because once it gets back there it's a really tight fit. So just make sure that you pre-tighten this. Obviously don't tighten it too much to where you can't actually get it on the inlet, but you know. So I guess there's not a lot of clearance. I just don't like the way this looks at all. These are just hitting. This is up on the tray. It's secured back there. They're not going anywhere. They're connected to the diverters, so that's good. I mean, I guess we'll hear some more turbo noises. Alright, this is weird. Yeah, this is a weird angle. I'm gonna outro the video right here though. Oh yeah, cool. Okay, now we're... I think this install went pretty well. It literally takes like, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. It's definitely easier with the second set of hands when it comes to like holding this cone in and everything. Regardless, it's really not that hard at all. It's not that hard. So I can't really give you a review on them yet because they are just now in the car. I haven't even driven the car yet. Stay tuned for the next video for me to talk about that. The next engine modification for power, we're definitely going to be doing a charge pipe and actually MHD flash this car so we can actually reap the power benefits we get from installing the parts. But that's going to be it for this one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you later. Peace. You